Ever freeze up at a gas station? You know what you want, but the words just won't come out. You start thinking, should I say fill? Full tank? How do I even say this in English? And by the time you figure it out, someone's already waiting. In this video, we're not just practicing phrases. You'll actually speak. You'll respond to real situations and train yourself to think in English, not translate. Let's go get some gas in English.
Here we are, ready to talk to the staff. Don't overthink it. Just say what you want. They'll understand. No need to be perfect.
Hey there. How can I help you?
You could say, fill it up, please. Can I get a full tank? Or simply, full, please.
Okay, repeat with me. Fill it up, please. Fill it up, please. Can I get a full tank? Can I get a full tank? Full, please. Full, please.
Regular or premium? You got it.
Just say regular, please. That's the standard one. If you're not sure which one to choose, you can say the cheapest one or whatever most people get.
Practice with me. Regular, please. Regular, please. The cheapest one. The cheapest one. Whatever most people get. Whatever most people get.
Let's try another situation. You don't have to fill the whole tank. Just say the amount. What if you only want to add $20?
Hey there. How can I help you? Full tank? All right, coming up.
Want to add just a little gas? Try these phrases. Just $20, please. 20 on pump 5, if you know your pump number. Or, can I get 20 regular?
Okay, repeat with me. Just 20, please. Just 20, please. 20 on pump 5. 20 on pump 5. Can I get 20 regular? Can I get 20 regular?
By the way, your wipers look a little dry. Need some windshield fluid? We've got it on special today. No problem.
You'll sometimes hear a casual upsell. To politely say no, try, not today, maybe next time, I'm good, thanks.
Say them with me. Not today. Not today. Maybe next time. Maybe next time. I'm good, thanks. I'm good, thanks.
Are you paying with cash or card today?
Okay, that's right. You can say, I'll pay by card. To talk about payment, here are some natural ways. I'll pay inside if you're going to the store. Or, can I tap here?
Practice line by line. I'll pay by card. I'll pay by card. I'll pay inside. I'll pay inside. Can I tap here? Can I tap here?
Looks like they've got a car wash here. Want to ask about it?
Anything else I can help you with?
To ask about a wash, you can say, do you have a car wash here? Do you do car washes? Or can I get a car wash with this?
Now, repeat after me. Do you have a car wash here? Do you have a car wash here? Do you do car washes? Do you do car washes? Can I get a car wash with this? Can I get a car wash with this?
Yep, basic, premium, or deluxe. Basic's $6 if you're getting gas. Basic is rinse and dry. Deluxe includes wax and underbody spray. Which one would you like? No problem.
Wanna grab something? I could go for a soda and some chips. You?
Hi there. Need help finding anything? Snacks are down aisle 2, and drinks are in the coolers at the back.
When you're shopping or just browsing, here are some useful phrases. Yeah, just grabbing a drink and some chips. Or I'm looking for a drink and some chips.
Okay, now, repeat with me. Just grabbing a drink and some chips. Just grabbing a drink and some chips. I'm looking for a drink and some chips. I'm looking for a drink and some chips.
Just so you know, drinks are part of a promo today. Buy any 2 drinks and you get a free air freshener.
When a cashier mentions a promo, that means there's a deal going on. You can ask, oh yeah? What kind of promo? What's the deal? How's it work?
Practice with me. What kind of promo? What kind of promo? What's the deal? What's the deal? How does it work? How does it work?
I might use the restroom real quick.
Hi! Yep, just around the corner, past the chips.
Need the restroom? Here's how to ask. Is there a restroom? Where's the restroom? Can I use the restroom?
Say it with me. Is there a restroom? Is there a restroom? Where's the restroom? Where's the restroom? Can I use the restroom? Can I use the restroom?
Ugh, I'm down to 3%. Think they sell chargers here?
Anything else I can help you with, sir? Yeah, aisle 3. Right next to the lighters.
To ask if a store has something, try, do you guys sell phone chargers? Do you carry USB-C cables? Where can I find the phone chargers?
Practice with me. Do you guys sell phone chargers? Do you guys sell phone chargers? Do you carry USB-C cables? Do you carry USB-C cables? Where can I find the phone chargers? Where can I find the phone chargers?
Hey, go check it out. Does it look clean enough? They even got the rims. That's rare. Want to say your car looks clean? Try these. Not bad at all. It's shining like new. It actually looks really good.
Repeat with me. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. It's shining like new. It's shining like new. It actually looks really good. It actually looks really good.
Here's your receipt. I tucked it inside the mirror for you. Safe travels.
You could say, thanks, appreciate it. Thanks a lot. That's thoughtful.
Say them with me. Thanks, appreciate it. Thanks, appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. That's thoughtful. That's thoughtful.
Something wrong? There's usually an air pump at stations like this. Want to check it out? When your car tells you there's a tire problem, try, looks like the tire pressure's low. It says the front right tire is low.
Practice with me. Looks like the tire pressure's low. Looks like the tire pressure's low. It says the front right tire is low. It says the front right tire is low.
All right. So what's next? Want to head straight to the cabin or stop by that trail near Miller Creek first? Got it. About 25 minutes from here. To clearly say where you want to go, just say, let's go to the cabin. Let's hit the cabin. We're heading to the cabin.
Practice with me. Let's go to the cabin. Let's go to the cabin. Let's hit the cabin. Let's hit the cabin. We're heading to the cabin. We're heading to the cabin.
Perfect. Let's get moving. Hey, thanks for handling everything back there. You've been a huge help today.
Let's wrap it up with some useful vocabulary from today's scenes. Take a screenshot or say them out loud. Rewatch any time you need a refresher. All right, quick recap. Today you learned how to fill up at a gas station, handle small purchases, discuss car wash options. If this helped you speak more naturally, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's keep learning together, one real-life scene at a time.